all of your friends and show them how you can play one of the coolest guitar riffs of all time? In our video today, we are going to be learning Beat It by Michael Jackson. We're going to practice the riff together, we're going to learn a few more power chords, and make sure you stay with me to the very end so we can play the full song together. Are you ready to go? Let's grab those guitars, come on in, and let's practice together. The first thing we're going to learn together is the main riff. So I'm going to break it up into 3 parts. So for the first part, we're going to anchor our pointer finger here on our A string on the 2nd fret. Now, the first note, we just play the E string with no fingers. Then, using your ring finger, come here to the top string on your 3rd fret and play 1 note there on the top string of your 3rd fret, and then play your A string, and your finger's already going to be set there. So that's the first part of the riff. Let's try that together one more time. So the second part of the riff, now we're going to be using our dots. Our dots are really going to help for this part. So we're going to use our 3rd finger here, and we're going to go to our D string, or our 3rd string, and we're going to look for either our 2nd dot or our 1st dot, depending on which kind of guitar you have. But for me, it's our 2nd dot. And we're going to do 1 note here. Now, I'm going to use my pointer finger now and go to the other side of my 1st dot, or if you don't have a dot, this is your 2nd fret here. And I'm going to do 1 note here. Now I'm going to use my ring finger again, and I'm going to go in between my dots, and I'm going to play 1 note here. And then I'm going to go back here to my 2nd fret. So you can actually anchor your finger here if you want to. So that second part looks like this. Now here's the 3rd part. This is the easiest part of the riff. We're not going to use any fingers. We're just going to do 2 strums on our D string. All right, let's do that together. Okay, so now we're going to put all 3 of those parts together. So remember, we're going to anchor our pointer finger here on our A string on the 2nd fret. And we're going to do the first part of the riff. Now we're going to do the 2nd part. And now we're going to do the 3rd part. Good. Let's try that just a little bit faster. That sounds amazing. All right, let's do it one more time. This time just a tiny bit faster. Are you ready? Here we go. Excellent. That sounds so amazing. All right, now we're going to come up here, and now we're going to do bar chords. So if you remember from our video last week, we're going to do just 2 strings. So for this one, look for your 2 dots. Most guitars have 2 dots. So look for your 2 dots, and your pointer finger is going to go right here. Your main focus with your pointer finger here is just to do the top string. So just press the top string. Then with your 3rd finger, come here, go to just the other side of your dot. And again, you're doing just the A string. So just our E string and our A string are what we're worried about right now. So now that we've got our fingers there, let's just do 1 strum together. Good. Now the strumming pattern for the song looks like this. It's kind of like a little bit of a pulse. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that together. Good. Now the next power chord, we're going to look for your last dot. This is your last dot right before your double dot. And your pointer finger goes right to your last dot. And your 3rd finger is going to be right before your double dots. So again, our E string and our A string. And we're going to do that 3 little pulse strumming pattern again. Let's try that together one more time. Good. So the first part of the verse looks like this. Let's try that together. Good. Our last power chord, we're going to use our last two dots. So most guitars, you'll have your last two dots here. So your ring finger is going to go to your last dot, and your pointer finger is going to go to your second to last dot. And again, we're going to do that 3 little pulse strumming pattern. Let's try that together. Very good. Now, the strumming pattern for that is we go back up here to the second bar chord. Good, let's try that together. Amazing, that sounds so good. Okay, so let's play the riff together 2 times, and then we'll play the power chords together 2 times as well. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Now to our power chords. 3, 2, 1, go. One more time. Now change. Then back to the first part. One more time. That sounds so good. Way to go, you did it! That sounds awesome. Really great job today, rock stars. I am so proud of you. You learned another song today. Really great job. I hope you feel so proud of yourself. Make sure to like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for your support. It means so much to me. I hope you have an amazing day, and we will see you again next time.